Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So I would like to show you something that was Rosa Kelly inspired. Of course I needed to, I went ahead and tweaked it to, to my liking. So has a hop going. It's the 13 days of Halloween. And she and a couple of other ladies are hosting this swap, and guys, you need to go check it out. There's some really beautiful Halloween ideas in there. So one of her videos was a Coffin mini album. So I thought, oh my goodness, I would love that, except I wanted my pictures, or the picture area, to be a little bit bigger. So I went ahead and I redid measurements, and this is what I came up with. So let me get a ruler and show you, or tell you what size this is. From the widest point, it's about 5 7/8 inch. No, it's 5.5. And then tall, it is 8 3/8. Okay, so I wanted my picture area to be, like I said, a little bit larger. So I made my template and I cut this out. This is my prototype. I made a spine for it. Her spine was different, so I made a spine for it. And yeah, so it does flatten, before embellishing and all that. But anyway, so it opens up this way. It's a mini album. It opens up this way. And this is the first page. I am still going to use this little mini album. I'm going to go ahead and decorate it. But I was working on, to me, this was too wide. The gusset was too wide. So I worked on something different, or worked out something different. So this is the first page. This is the second page, and this is the third, and this is the back. So this is how I started mine out, and like I said, I tweaked it yet again. So let me show you what I came up with. I tried to use I used my pastel embellishment box that I got from, what was her name? Crafts I Heart on YouTube. And I know I shared that with you guys. So this is the same size. This is my, again, second prototype. And, but I went with the pink, and everything's the same, except this one's already decorated. Guys, I'm working on the tutorial, but work has been, super busy for the next 2 weeks, and I'm gonna try to, have one out before Halloween. But anyway, so this is my my second one, and I went ahead and used all the little embellishments that were in my box, and even some that were in the traditional ones. This one, of course, I got this one from one of the boxes. And then I put the bow on there. Isn't that cute? And of course, my spider that I had painted. And I went ahead and used this cut apart that I received from the embellishment box. And her name is Robin. Sorry, Robin, I had to look up your name. And I went ahead and put it up on some foam. And this is the spine. I just love this paper. And then this is the back. So for the closure, you really don't need a closure because it does stand up on its own. But I just thought it would be cute. I used a little piece of chain. And I used a lobster clasp to unhook it. And one of the reasons I wanted to do a chain is because one of you guys sent me some, what do you call these things? Anyway, charms. And I wanted to use this one. The key came from my stash. But so we opened this up, and on the first page, these are my photo mats. And they are 4 1/4 by 3 by 3. So that's a good size for pictures, in my opinion, at least for my pictures. And I used some of the stickers that I was sent. There we go. I believe Abril sent me this one. So thank you, Abril. I used the purple ones, and I think, you know, they got touches of orange, but that's okay. And I cut this little guy out. I made a little cluster here. This was another cut apart that I used for Robin's box. She sent me some dewdrops. Made a little, you know, just tiny little cluster right here. And I flip it over. So on this page, I went ahead and cut out another of the little cut apart. I just cut out the boo. Actually, these were from my stash, these little pearls, and I thought that color went really good on here. Here's another bow that you guys sent me, and these on the top, I had gotten those at Daiso, and that's what this package looks like. And I used them on the top of all the pages. Okay, so on this side, I went ahead and cut a spider web. I went ahead and put a spider, one of the spider rings right in the center, a couple of the smaller spiders, and then a little flower here on this side, and a little pearl on that side. And here's another one of those stickers, and then I flip it over, and then here's another sticker. It says spooky, and then this little vine at the bottom with the leaves is a Heartfelt Creations 3D vine, leaf vine. And then I put another spider here. One of the little rosettes that you guys sent me with an eyeball in the center. These come from Robin. And yeah, so that's my page. She sent me all these little bows as well. And on this side, I just, this is another cut apart from the little cut aparts that she sent me. I just fussy cut her out, and I made her, you know, put a little bow on here, a little flower, and a boo right there, and one of the purple flowers that you guys sent me. The eyeballs on the top, the googly eyes. And then on the following page, here is, you know, I think it looks so pretty with the black incorporated in there. So I went ahead and put this beautiful skull, and then this flower. This one was a flower that I had made. And I fussy cut this pumpkin out, put a bow in the center, and another puffy sticker on the top. And then on this side, it's I put a pink spider web. Then this spider, I fussy cut it. And then I have a border of eyes right here, and it says, "I have my eye on you." I thought that was very fitting. And then a small cluster of flowers right here. And this one's one of those resin black flowers that were in one of the boxes. And then on the last page, I just put a little, this is the border page from the Pinkaboo. And I just made a little cluster of flowers right here, the little boo. And then over here, this flower, it was from my stash. So I just put the layers together, put a little gold on the edge with little gold dots around the eye. And that's all I did for that page. And all of them have the matte. And then, of course, you know, that bling on the top. And let me show you the two, compare the two. So this one, I felt like this one, I wanted more pages in there. So on this one, I wanted more pages. So I narrowed the gusset to be able to fit more pages, because I didn't want it too thick. And this gusset is 1/2 inch, whereas this one is 3/4 of an inch. And I wanted to be able to embellish a little bit more, and you know, it works fine with the 1/2 inch. I just had to keep checking to see if I wasn't, you know, going too far out with the embellishments. And on this page, I kind of did. That's why I try, when I do my mini albums, I try to, you know, put one on the inside, or one cluster on the inside, the other on the outside, so that they don't make the page too thick. But that's okay, because this page wasn't, you know, thick at all. So it still works out. And then I went ahead and made the little clasp for the closure. And like I said, it doesn't need it, but I wanted to make sure that I used as many, you know, embellishments as I could that you guys sent me. Just so you know that I really, really do appreciate everything you sent. There you go, guys. I will try to have a video up on how to construct this, how to cut it out, and all that good stuff. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great day.